All right. So in the last session, like before festival, we discussed about the keyword analysis. We discussed about the content analysis as well. That means content writing. So I've given you the prompt wherein I want you to make use of that prompt and come up with your content. Today, what we will do is we'll go with the structure of our website. So let's take one sample website. Let me take the website of
Excuse me.
Ganga. Yeah, Aisha.
Yes, excuse me, sir. I thought this one is a new class. Is it not new class?
This is the class where I mean, the first day you have joined, right? Do you remember
Yes.
the first day you have joined? That
Yeah,
is the
I
class
I
where,
joined it then, and Kafia told me that since I didn't come for like a week due to some issues, so she told me that she will add me a new class. So this is not new. It's not right.
this is not a new class. What I'll do is I'll try to take a backup session for you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Just try to understand today's session. It is
Okay.
just
Thank
a
you so much.
structure we are discussing about the website.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
In
Thank
our
you.
website, yeah, thank you. In our website, whatever we are going to design, you need to follow the structure. It has a standard structure. You have homepage, about us. These are the services, like let's say SEO falls under services, and then you have contact us page. So can Gangadhar give me the credentials? What is your URL? It is Digital Gang, right?
Visit again.
Digit Gang
Mm.
dot
Dot TCN.
gt.tc, I guess. మీరే మర్చిపోతాయిలాంటి. Yeah. Username,
Digit Gang.
Digit Gang. Password,
GANG.
DA Gang. Okay,
Gang.
GANG
1436.
143. Correct. GANG 143.
36, sir.
1436.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So the very first activity, once you log into this particular admin panel, this is a backend of the WordPress website. Okay, this is a backend of WordPress. So whenever you design a website, first what we need to have, we need to have a theme, right? So let's cross check. We already installed a theme. Let's go to appearance and themes. So now you can see there is a theme called Astra which got installed and activated. Now, once you install and activate, let me go to visit site. Okay, this is how it was earlier, right? But now, once you get the theme, here you can see something called header, wherein you have seen home, about us, services, contact us, and all, right? So here, let's go back. So what we need to do, we need to go there to pages. You need to create all the pages here. We have already created these pages. How do we create that? Click on add page. Provide the page name here. Like let's say I'll provide it as SEO services. Click on publish and publish. Go back. Okay, it is already there. So I'll just delete this now. Move to trash and apply. It is already created, the SEO services page. That is the reason I just deleted. Just wanted to showcase because these were the classes which we have discussed earlier. And then once you create the pages, now what you need to do, you need to add the pages in the menu, right? So how do you add? Go to appearance and you have menu here. Click on menu. To the left hand side, you can see all the pages which we have created. Okay. And to the right hand side, you can see the menu name and you can see the structure here. So what I'll do, okay, let me delete this, remove. Let's add SEO services. And then let's make it a sub page. You all know, right, how to make it a sub page. Just hold it, drag it, give some space here and just drop it here so that you can see it is now treated as a sub item. And then click on save. And whenever you are creating a menu, provide a menu name. And then if you scroll down, you can see something called primary menu. Display location is primary menu. Whatever the menu which you are creating, that should be your primary menu, right? And once you're done with this, now what you need to do, whatever the theme you have installed here, okay, using this particular theme, you can make use of all the templates. Elsewhere, you can make use of a plugin called Elementor. Elementor is a plugin which is used to design the website, right? Till now, it is just a structure we have taken. Now you need to design every page of our website. So for that, we make use of plugins or else a builder. You can come down to plugins here. You can see this Elementor which we have installed, right? You need to install and activate. So let's update. It is showcasing that there is some updated version. So just click on update. Whenever you see something called update now, just try to click on update. Update your plugins. Let it update. Yeah, it got updated. Once again. All right. So now what we can do is, like, let's say we wanted to edit a couple of pages, or else we wanted to edit a home page. So we have home page, we have about us, we have services page, we might have contact us page. Might be if you are writing blogs as well, you can also come down with a blog page, right? Wherein you can add the post there as well. So you have multiple things which you can make use of, but initially, as I suggest, only try to make use of minimum 3 to 4 pages, not more than that. Okay, only 3 to 4 pages. So now what I'll do is I'll come down to the page. Like, let's say I wanted to edit the home page. I'll come down, click on home page. Now here you can find something called edit with Elementor. Okay, this is an option which we have. So let's click on edit with Elementor. Yep. Now here, if you observe, there is a layout here. Okay. So there is a layout. So to the left hand side, you can see layout here. You have container, you have grid. So container grid is something which is going to build a structure for us. And inside the container or else inside the grid, you can add the headings, you can add the images, text, video, button, divider, space, maps, or icons. Depends on your requirement. But how do you add the container here? You can see a plus symbol here, right? I'll just click on this. Now see, it is asking which layout would you like to use? Like, let's say I wanted to use this Flexbox. Now you can see so many structures. All these are different containers which we have, right? So I'll take Like let's say I'll take this container. Now you have two containers here. In the first container, in the first layout, like let's say I'm adding an image. I'm just dragging and dropping it off. And then later you can add the image here. I'm just showcasing you as of now. Now next, let me close this. Yeah. Now here in the second container, I wanted to add heading, and then under the heading, I wanted to add the text as well. Now here you don't have plus symbol, right? So what we can do is to the left top corner, you have add element. Click on add element so that you can see, you can find all the options here, all the widgets here. What we will do, let's hold the text editor and drop under this, under the heading. Now you can see, and then click on publish. Let's make some changes here. Let's select to the left hand side. In this panel, you need to make some changes. I'll write best digital marketing agency in Hyderabad. Okay. And then you can write the text as well, the description as well. For now, I'm not writing any description. Just click on publish. Now let's come down here. Let's refresh. Now you can see, right? This is how we are supposed to build each and every block, each and every section you need to write. But now you need to understand what are the different sections you are supposed to make use of. In the home page, what you need to write. In the about us page, what you need to write. Services, contact us. So you need to know the structure now. So here, let me open this. You can see home page. What is the purpose of home page? It provides us the summary, the overview of all the courses and value offered. So I'll write it as overview of all the services and values offered, because it is a digital marketing agency, right? One second, right? Yeah. And then about us is where we're going to tell our audience who we are, what we do to build the trust. SEO is where we will make our audience understand what services and how we perform SEO. And contact us is where we will tell how to reach out to us. So coming down to home page, you can see the structure. This is the structure you need to follow. And this structure is based out of SEO, AEO, GEO, and SXO. So you need to optimize the structure. That means you need to optimize your website according to SEO, AEO, GEO, and SXO. So whatever the structure I have given you, you have hero section, the sliders or images. You have trust indicators. Why do people need to trust us? And you have services. What are the services we are offering? Who we help? Like we are providing the services. Who are the people we are going to help them? And what is the process? You have frequently asked questions and CTA, which is call to action. This is call to action. So now let's go back. This is our website now. So what we are doing here, we are creating the containers. We are taking the layouts and then we're going to make some changes. Like let's say I wanted to add one more change here. I'll click on this plus symbol. I'll add single container. Now here in this container, what you can do is click on this element, scroll down. Like let's say I wanted to add the video. I'll click on add the video. Now here, once you add the video, what you're supposed to do, you have a link here. That means you need to provide the YouTube link. Go there to your YouTube channel, take a particular link and give it here. Like let's say I'll come there. Let's go to YouTube. Your channel. Like let's say this is the one which we wanted to discuss about. These are our what do we say? Our recordings itself. I'll take this URL. Now I'll go back again. Here I'll paste it. Now you can see, right? So this is how we are supposed to add the images as well. If you wanted to add any of the images, you can also add the images like this. Let's go back here, refresh. Now you can see, this is how you need to add. You need to create all the sections. That means you need to come down with the containers. You have multiple options here. Just click on this plus symbol. You can go with a grid, or else you can go with a container here. You can add any container. Like let's say I'm adding this container now. Like let's say I'm adding some text here, or else I'm adding an image. Now under the image, I wanted to add a button. Like let's say, so here to the left top, you have add element. Scroll down, you have button here. Hold it and drop under this, like this. Okay. Go to the style, make it to center. And how do you need to make it a clickable one? All that I'm going to, however, discuss. But what I want is, I want you guys to create a structure out of it first. If you're coming out of structure properly, then it will be easy for you. If you're not coming out of structure, then it is going to be difficult for us. So what you need to do is, you need to build the structure. Like let's say, see, doing all of this takes a lot of time. Okay, doing all of this takes a lot of time. What I'll do is, I'll showcase you the templates. But what I want is, I want you guys to come up with the content by end of tomorrow's session. If you will be able to do that, then I can easily show you the content. Elsewhere, you're supposed to do everything manually. Okay, that depends. That is your interest now. What I'll do is, I'll just cancel all of this. Guys, clear kada? Andarki ardhamautundi kada? I hope everyone are able to understand. Vivek garu, Sarita, Nilohit, Gangadhar garu, Sriram garu.
Yeah, yes.
Perfect. Now, what I'll do is, I'll just go back, exit to WordPress. I'll go to dashboard. Now, here there is a theme called Astra, right? This is a theme which we have installed and then activated. Go to Astra dashboard. If you go to Astra dashboard, here you can find starter templates. Click on starter templates. Click on start building now. Yeah, start building now. Installing. Okay, it got activated. Okay, now you have AI website builder and classic starter templates. You're supposed to select this particular templates, guys. Click on build with templates. Now, what is the builder we are making use of? Elementor, right? This is a plugin we are making use of. Select this particular plugin, Elementor. You have block editor also. This is also one of the plugin, or else you can call it as a builder itself. So I'll select Elementor. We all are supposed to select Elementor because we make use of Elementors, right? Now you can see how many are there. All these are the templates which you have, right? How easy it is going to be for you to, design a website. See, what I suggest is, as a digital marketer, don't waste your time on designing part. Rather, spend time on coming up with a beautiful content. Okay, which should be SEO optimized, which should be AEO optimized, GEO optimized, and all. But what I want you to focus on, I want you to focus on the content. Okay. So what we can do is, here, just scroll up. There will be a couple of free and also there will be a couple of paid as well. Let's see. Okay, you have premium. Okay, you have latest. Okay, they didn't provided something called free option here. That's okay. Let's do one thing. I'll go to business. Let me select agency. You can see so many options which are available. Like let's say this is the one. Like let's say we wanted to make use of this. So just click on this.
ఏం చేస్తున్నావమ్మా ఏం చేస్తున్నావు ఏం చేస్తున్నావు
Yes, please mute yourself. Yeah. So now you can see this is how it is going to look. This is how it is going to look. So if you like this particular, what do we say, a template, what you can do is you can directly to the left hand side, if you scroll and if you click on continue, it is going to give you this particular template. Or if you didn't like it, then click on cancel and come back again. You have so many templates here. You have n number of templates. Like let's say if you want to make use of this particular template, select it. See here, this is how it is. Okay, if you like it, you can make use of it. Let's do one thing. Let's take any agency related template. Okay, let's take anything. Let's see how it is. Let's take agency related. First, let's do one thing.
సార్ అప్పుడు మనం క్యాన్వా వీటిలో డిజైన్ చేసిన అవసరం లేదు కదా సార్?
క్యాన్వాలో ఇమేజెస్ చేయాలి కదా మనం. ఈ ఇమేజెస్ మనం వాడం కదా.
ఓకే.
మనము ఇది ఓన్లీ స్ట్రక్చర్, మనకి కంప్లీట్ గా డిజైన్ ఇంటర్నల్ గా మనం చేసుకోవడానికి యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు సే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వాట్ ఐ విల్ డూ ఇస్ ఐ విల్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ కంటిన్యూ హియర్. See, it is asking us all the features. Do you want to add the form? Do you want to go with the SEO and search visibility, e-commerce? Forget about e-commerce, because if you want to make use of e-commerce, you need to have a plugin called WooCommerce. I'll tell you that later. I'll just click on continue. Okay, I'll write it as digit gang, submit and build my website. See here, it is installing the required theme, plugins, forms, etc. If you don't want all the forms, plugins and all, you don't need to make use of, because however, I'll be telling you what sort of plugins we are supposed to make use of to use the forms, or else what sort of plugins you're supposed to make use of WhatsApp. Like that, you have n number of plugins which we are going to, however, discuss about with respect to designing, with respect to analytics, with respect to speed, with respect to duplications. Okay, for all of that, we're going to make use of plugins. Let it install. Aisha, I hope you're able to understand, right?
Yes, thank you.
All right. యా లక్ష్మి. సో మనం ఏంటంటే ఈ ఇమేజెస్ ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో అవన్నీ మనకు అవసరం లేదు కాబట్టి మనకు కావాల్సిన ఇమేజెస్ ని క్యాన్వాలో డిజైన్ చేసుకొని ఇక్కడ వాడుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా? యా. సో లెట్స్ గో టు వ్యూ యువర్ వెబ్సైట్. క్లిక్ ఆన్ వ్యూ యువర్ వెబ్సైట్. This is how your website is looking now. How easy it is for us now, right? If you go to services, you have services now. You can write down all of this. You can go to home page. Okay. Now, my question is, I wanted to edit this page. I wanted to edit home page. How do I need to do that? Absolutely. Blindly, you need to believe this. Whatever the theme it is, okay, whatever the theme you make use of, If you want to edit anything inside the page, you need to make use of Elementor. Okay, you need to make use of Elementor. Like let's say this is a home page. We are in home page. Here only you have something called edit with Elementor. Or else you can go back to the home page also. Like let's say this is a dashboard. Go to pages. Scroll down. You have home page here. Click on home page. And then you can simply click on edit with Elementor. So you have two options. You can come down, directly click on edit with Elementor. Elsewhere, you can come down and click on edit with Elementor. Any which one is going to be the same. But if you click on here, if you click on edit with Elementor, see, it is taking us to the same page like how we did earlier. Manually, we did all the options, right? Guys, this option, this templates I showed you only because I don't want to kill your time, or else I don't want you to lag behind, stating that you need to think what you're supposed to write inside and all. Okay, that is the reason I told you about the templates. Please do make use of those templates so that it will make your work easy. But now, after coming up with a template, now what you need to do is you need to come up with a content. Try to spend a lot of time on content because that is very important. So what you need to do is when you click on edit with Elementor, you have all of these options. Simply click on anywhere you wanted to change. Like let's say I wanted to change this particular title. I'll write it as best digital marketing agency in Hyderabad. And I'll just click on publish. Let's go back. Now you can see best digital marketing agency in Hyderabad, right? This is how you need to edit. Go back to edit with Elementor. Wherever you wanted to change, click on that particular option. Either it can be an image or else it can be a text as well. Now, if you want to change the image, what you're supposed to do here, you have 6 dots here, right? You can see edit container. Click on edit container so that it will take us completely to this page, right? Okay, it is not showcased. Yeah, it is here in the style. When you click on edit container, actually it might be sometimes in the layout and also it might be sometimes in the style. Scroll down, you can see this image. Click on choose image. Upload the file. Pick any file from your library. Like let's say I'm picking this particular file. Click on open. Make sure you make use of the relevant one. This is something which we have designed for e-commerce website. So you should not make use of it. Okay. I'll just show you that website which we are designing currently. This is the one which we have designed. And 1 second. Yeah, this is the one we have designed. All the e-commerce stores. This is the one. This is a dental one. Where is that? I was talking about what? I was talking
సార్
about.
మనం సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన ఇమేజ్ దానికి అదే అడ్జస్ట్ అయిపోతుందా
అక్కడ అడ్జస్ట్ అయిపోతుంది.
పర్టికులర్ సైజ్ కి? ఓకే,
పర్టికులర్ సైజ్ కి అడ్జస్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. మీరు ఏమైనా చేంజెస్ చేసుకోవాలంటే యూ కెన్ చేంజ్ ఇట్. యా,
ఓకే
ఇక్కడ
సార్.
this is the one. We just uploaded some images here. We still working on it, but you can see these are the images which we have. Okay. So for this, we are working using Shopify. This is how the Shopify. You have seen that WordPress backend, right? This is a backend of Shopify. Okay, that is a backend of WordPress. This is a backend of Shopify. This is how you'll see. You can come down to products here, add product. Okay, you need to provide all the details. like title, description, and images. Like let's say you have the media. So say for example, I've got a media from the client. Double click on this. You can see all these are the medias. They will be providing us. Select the media, whatever you wanted to. Click on open. Now you can see it is being added here. This is how it is going to add. Now, like let's say this is pendant, I guess. I'll just randomly, I am writing it as pendant. Okay, you can write the description. You can add the collections. You can see the vendor here. You can see vendor. There might be multiple vendors from where we can take the products, right? So you can write the vendors here. You can see the price. You can see the location, I mean the quantity here. You can see the product weight. All this, how do you get to know? Client will give us. That means, let me show you that. Vendor is going to give like this. You can see diamond cut floral CZ necklace set. They'll provide everything. What is the MRP price? What is the selling price? What is the tax code? The dimensions. You can see here product package weight, item weight, the product weight. These are the images. I'll select this. Let me show you the images they have provided. This is how they're going to provide the images, right? So see here, they have done the photo shoot. They have directly given the, this particular pendants images as well. Let me just open this. See here, this is how it is. Come back. You can see something which is related to care. Come back. Okay, any product shoot, like the model shoot. Come back. And about this particular product. What is it made of? What they have used? What are the stones? Right? What is the total weight? The size details? Everything is mentioned here. This is how a vendor should provide the details. Or else if it is your own website, if it is your own company, then you need to come up with a product photo shoot as well. Either you can do like this, or else you can hire a model and you can also do in that way as well. So with respect to, the Shopify, this is how it is going to look like. Where is that? This one? Yeah. This is how it is, not this one, sorry. Yeah, this is how it is going to look like. You need to add everything here. And then you can see search engine listing. Here you need to make use of SEO. Here also you have something called content, right? Description and title is a content again. Based on SEO aspects, you need to write the content. And once you write all of this, then you need to click on save. Okay. You have preview here. Let's click on preview. This is how it is going to look. Okay. You need to make multiple changes again. So this is just to showcase you how Shopify backend is going to look alike. Okay, just to make you understand, guys, I'm not going to teach Shopify in this particular sessions because it is all about e-commerce. So I'll go back now. Yeah, I'll come back to our own dashboard, which is WordPress dashboard. Now here, as I've mentioned this particular image, I'll click on publish. Like this, whatever you wanted to change, you're supposed to change. But now, what is the task you are supposed to do? This is one important thing. Now, I want this particular structure. First is I want hero section. Second, I want trust indicators. Third is I want services. So let's go back. Do you have any trust indicator here? It is just some, a random quote they have mentioned. And then scroll down, you have something called upcoming events. So what we need to do, okay, in the home page, first one is hero section we have already maintained. Second is you need to maintain the trust indicators. Let's go back. Now here you have the plus symbol here, right? I'll click on plus symbol. Now I'll add the container here, or else here, let me do one thing, build with AI. Yeah, I'll take this particular templates. I'll click on template here. See, is it taking us inside or not? I guess it is not taking us inside. Or did it got stuck? No, it didn't got stuck. All right, let me do one thing. Let me take this. Okay. I want to showcase you the blocks as well. Let me again check this. Okay, I'm unable to make use of it. Let's see if this is going to help us out. Or else I'll come down to Astra dashboard. Starter templates. You can also, they'll be providing us the sections, blocks, everything will be provided by default as well. We can also make use of that. Let's just cross check with edit with website, Elementor. Okay, which one? This one we made use of, right? Let me do
సారీ
one.
సార్ ఫస్ట్
Pardon?
ఇప్పుడు ఉన్నది డిలీట్ ఎలా చేయాలి సార్ ప్రజెంట్ ఇప్పుడు ఉన్న వెబ్ సారీ ఇమేజ్ కానీ అది కానీ
ఇక్కడ తీసేయండి ఏమో. మనం ఇందాక ఇది తీసుకున్నాం కదా,
అవును
జస్ట్ ఇది మార్చారు అనుకోండి, ఇది పోయి ఇది వస్తుంది.
ఓకే
లేదు అంటే సింపుల్ గా ఆస్ట్రా థీమ్ లో యూస్ చేసేసుకోండి. ఆస్ట్రాలో మనం అపియరెన్స్ లో థీమ్స్కి వెళ్తాం కదా, అక్కడ థీమ్స్కి వెళ్ళి చేంజ్ చేసేసుకోవచ్చు, ఏం కాదు. ఓకే, ఎలా అయినా మీరు చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. క్లియరా?
ఓకే
ఒకసారి చూపించాలా? ఒక్క
Yeah.
నిమిషం. Simple. Say for example, I'll go back. Go to appearance, themes. ఇక్కడ చేంజ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇది వాడుతున్నాం, దీంట్లో టెంప్లెట్ తీసుకున్నాం. టెంప్లెట్స్ మార్చాలంటే యూ నీడ్ టు గో దే టు ఆస్ట్రా. లేదు కంప్లీట్ గా థీమ్ మార్చాలంటే యూ నీడ్ టు కమ్ డౌన్ హియర్. క్లియర్? ఓకే, నౌ లెట్స్ గో బ్యాక్. Let me do one thing. I'll go to pages. Let's click on home page. Oh, you have two home pages. Huh? Click on edit with Elementor.
బబ్లీ డ్రమ్.
Let me again try. Okay, this is something else. Not that home page. Huh? We have two home pages, I guess, right? Let's leave. What is the other page which we have? You have two home pages. Let me check with this. Okay, there is an auto save of this post that is more recent than the version. Okay.
హై రెజల్యూషన్ ల్యాప్టాప్స్ కావాలండి కృష్ణ గారు ఇప్పుడు?
ఏదైనా పర్లేదండి. పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లం ఏమి ఉండదు మీకు ల్యాప్టాప్తో. బేసిక్ ల్యాప్టాప్స్ మీద కూడా మనం వర్క్ చేసేసుకోవచ్చు.
It is taking time actually. Ability one web page. Once the class is done, I do have some doubts. Let's have a look on that once.
Yeah, Andy, sure. Let me just try to showcase you this so that I'll add one container. Okay, I'll directly go with this one. It's not working. AI is working, but that is not working. But if you have that, that will be easy for you actually. Okay, might be it is asking us to upgrade now. We don't want to upgrade the Elementor. All right, let it be. I'll just cross check with that, because might be it is going, if I make you add everything internally, it is going to take a lot of time for you. Rather, what we will do is, okay, this is our particular hero section, right? Here it is asking us a trust factor. What we will do is here, we will write something which is related to our company, wherein people will, consider it as a trust factor. Okay, that is one thing which you are supposed to do. And however, I'll tell you about that particular smart template, why it is not working. Might be we will uninstall and install so that it is going to work. Next is services. Come back here, select this upcoming events, remove and make it a services. What sort of services you are providing? Say, for example, I'm providing here SEO services. Here I'm providing, say, Google Ads. Scroll down. Yeah, we only have two things here. So SEO and Google Ads. Now, if you want to come down and change the images, as I told you to take the images from the Canva, you need to come here, choose the image, upload from the file, any particular image which you wanted to upload. Like, let's say, let me upload this randomly. Select like this. Okay. So like this, what you need to do, you need to come down with your images. And how do you need to do that? You need to make use of Canva. Please do create the images so that we can make use of them. Okay, like this. See here, you can have a proper template now. What you're supposed to do, you just need to make some edits. You just need to make some changes. But please make sure to come up with the content. Content is very important here. Okay, scroll down. What is the next one you have? You have who you help. So this one, like, let's say I'll write it here. Who I help. You can write it in the description, like, I help businesses grow online. Like, let's say this is what I wanted to write. Or if you wanted to write anything, you can also write it. Forget about the buttons. What is the link we need to provide? How do you need to provide the link? That I'll be discussing again. But just to make you understand the structure, I'm explaining you this. And then you have upcoming tours and destinations. Come back to the document. Next is process. How are we going to do it? How are we going to help? Process. Just save it and then go back to Word again. Next is frequently asked questions. Scroll down. Okay, here actually we wanted to add a frequently asked questions, as we couldn't able to make use of this particular smart template. I mean the smarter or starter templates. I'll tell you how we are supposed to do it in the next sessions. But what you need to do is, now we are done with the home page, right? Go back, Go to all the pages. Here I've mentioned everything. In the about page, you need to come out a founder story, experience, vision, and mission. Services page, you need to have all these services. Individual services, like let's say if it is SEO services, what you're supposed to write. And then contact page you have. So this is complete structure of your website. If you properly build the structure of your website, then with the help of keywords, with the help of prompt, we can come down with a proper content for every individual page. For each and every page, we can write beautiful content. Okay, that is what you are supposed to do. I am providing you this particular document in the drive. Go through that particular document, and then please try to finish this particular work, because we are not going to stop anywhere. Yes, guys, this is about today's session. Someone who questioned me, some doubt?
Yeah, Krishna, Sriram, I will share my screen so that.
1 second. Lakshmi, is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Asha, is it clear for you? Aisha, sorry. Again, I'll be there with you. I'll guide you, okay?
Yeah, since I came now, so I know what you did, but like I have no background because
Got it. I'll be there, Aisha.
you guys went too far. Thank you.
Yeah. Gangadhar and Nilohit, మీ ఇద్దరికి, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. All right, let me share. Let me give you an access. 1 second.
I can
Yeah.
share directly, I guess, Krishna garu. Okay.
Yeah, and please share.
Able to see?
Yes.
Sure. I couldn't see anything. Okay, fine. Able to see now?
Yes.
Okay. See, this one I have created this website. So I can minimize this one. Setting obstruction maybe. ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు క్లయింట్ నేను ఇది క్రియేట్ చేశానండి ఇప్పుడు. సో ఒక వాట్సాప్ ఇది కూడా పెట్టాను ప్లగిన్.
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నాట్ సెక్యూర్ అని వస్తుంది. రీజన్ ఏంటి దానికి?
అది HTTPS లేదు.
దానికి ఎట్లా అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం కొనకుండా ఇట్లా చేసామనేది
అంతే. ఇది మనం ఏంటంటే ఫ్రీ డొమైన్ అండ్ హోస్టింగ్ కదా.
ఓకే.
అందుకనే మనకి ఇలా ఉంది. అదే సే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనము హోస్టింగ్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి ఒక సర్వర్
తీసుకుంటే అన్నప్పుడు HTTPS వస్తుంది.
అప్పుడు మనకి HTTPS కూడా మనం తీసేసుకుంటాం అన్నమాట.
ఓకే. ఇది ఈ వెబ్ పేజ్ లో ఇప్పుడు హోమ్ అంటే జస్ట్ ఇందులో ఒక పర్టికులర్ పీస్కి వెళ్తుందా? ఇప్పుడు మనం చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఎక్కడైనా రాయాలంటే
అవును.
ఎడిట్ విత్ పేజ్ ఆర్ ఎలిమెంట్ తీసుకుని
ఎడిట్ పేజ్కి వెళ్ళకుండా ఎలిమెంటర్ చేసుకోండి.
ఓకే.
ఎలిమెంటర్ చేసుకుంటే మీకు కొంచెం ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది.
ఓకే. అబౌట్కి వెళ్తే ఎక్కడికో వెళ్తుంది సమ్వేర్.
అబౌట్ పేజ్కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది మీకు. అచ్చా, కిందకి వస్తుందా ఇది? అయితే ఇది ఏంటంటే బేసిక్ గా ఇది మీకు పర్సనల్ బ్రాండింగ్ కోసం యూస్ చేస్తారన్నమాట. ఇలా అంటే సింగిల్ పేజే ఉంటుంది. క్లిక్ చేయగానే ఏం చేస్తుంది అంటే కొత్త పేజ్కి వెళ్ళకుండా కిందకి తీసుకెళ్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఇది చూడండి, సర్వీసెస్ కొత్త పేజ్కి తీసుకెళ్ళింది మీకు.
ఓకే.
బ్లాగ్స్ మీద క్లిక్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. URL చూస్తే అర్థమైపోతుంది వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ us టు ద బ్లాగ్ పేజ్ ఆర్ నాట్. /services అని వచ్చింది, అదిగోండి /blog కొత్త పేజ్ కి తీసుకెళ్ళింది. సో ప్రతి పేజ్ ని మీరు ఏంటంటే ఎడిట్ విత్ ఎలిమెంటర్ యూస్ చేసుకొని ట్రై టు ఎడిట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్.
ఓకే. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఒక క్లయింట్ కి ఇది ఒక్క డిజైన్ అకౌంట్ 2-3 డిజైన్ చూపించాలంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా? అది అందులో
2-3 డిజైన్స్ అసలు క్లయింట్ కి చూపించకండి. ఓకేనా? మీరు స్ట్రైట్ అవే tell your client, don't focus on beautification.
ఇదే చూస్ చేసుకొని
అంటే ఓనర్స్ ఎలా ఉంటారంటే ఫౌండర్స్ కానీ ఓనర్స్ కానీ అందరికి వాళ్ళకి బ్యూటిఫికేషన్ వెనకాల పడతారు. నాకు ఇక్కడ ఇంత అందంగా ఉండాలి, అంత అందంగా ఉండాలంటారు. కానీ ఏంటంటే మేజర్ గా మర్చిపోయేది ఏంటంటే కంటెంట్.
ఓకే.
సో మనము యాజ్ అ డిజిటల్ మార్కెటర్ వీ నీడ్ టు గైడ్ దెమ్, వీ నీడ్ టు ఎడ్యుకేట్ దెమ్ హియర్. కానీ మీరు పిక్ చేసేది మంచిది పిక్ చేసినప్పుడు, ఇప్పుడు ఇది బాగుంది, ఇలాంటిది మనకి మంచిది పిక్ చేసే ముందే మీరు కలర్ ప్యాలెట్ అడగండి వాళ్ళని.
ఓకే, అంటే
వాళ్ళ
విచ్
కలర్
కలర్
కాంబినేషన్స్ ఏంటి అని అడగండి. అడిగితే ఇక్కడే మీరు కలర్స్ మార్చేసుకోవచ్చు కావాలనుకుంటే.
ఓకే.
అలా పెట్టుకుంటే మీకు బెస్ట్. అండ్ ఇంకోటి
కలర్
ఏంటంటే
కాంబినేషన్ ఎలా మార్చుకోవచ్చు ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడే?
అక్కడ లోపల ఆప్షన్స్ ఇస్తాము. ఎడిట్ విత్ అది ఎలిమెంటర్ లేదు కదా, ఎలిమెంటర్ ఉంటే చూడొచ్చు.
ప్లగ్
బేసిక్ ఏమవుతుందంటే ఒకటి మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే మల్టిపుల్ టెంప్లెట్స్ కి ఆప్షన్స్ డిఫరెంట్ వేరే దగ్గర ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఇది బ్లైండ్ గా మీరు ఫిక్స్ అవ్వండి. అందుకనే మీరు నేర్చుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే ఒక్కొక్క ఆప్షన్ దేనికి యూజ్ అవుతుంది అనేది నేర్చుకోండి. బ్లైండ్ గా నేను ఇది తీసుకున్నానంటే అదే తీసుకోవాలని రూల్ లేదు. కానీ ఇందాక ఎడిట్ చేయాలంటే ఏం కావాలి అని అంటే శ్రీరామ్ గారు చెప్పారు ఎలిమెంటర్తో ఎడిట్ చేస్తామని. అది తెలుసుకుంటే చాలు, అంతకు మించింది ఏం అవసరం లేదు అసలు. ఓకే, అప్పుడు మీరు యూ కెన్ ప్లే విత్ మేకింగ్ యూజ్ ఆఫ్ మల్టిపుల్ టెంప్లెట్స్, మల్టిపుల్ థీమ్స్, మల్టిపుల్ టెంప్లెట్స్. కానీ మీరు ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ కొంచెం హ్యాండ్స్ ఆన్ అయ్యేంత వరకు ఎక్కువ స్ట్రెస్ తీసుకోకండి. లైటర్ నోట్లో ఉన్నవే తీసుకొని ప్రశాంతంగా కంటెంట్ రాసేయండి ఫస్ట్. దాని మీద మెల్లమెల్లగా మీరు చేస్తున్న కొద్దీ అలవాటు అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే,
ఇంకో డౌట్ ఉందండి ఇప్పుడు కృష్ణ గారు. ఇప్పుడు ఇది వెబ్ డిజైన్. ఇందాక మీరు షాప్ఫైది ఒక వెబ్ డిజైనింగ్ చేశారు కదా. సో ఏంటంటే అందులో మీరు ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ ని అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ పెట్టేలాగా డిజైన్ చేశారు. అంటే మీరే అందులో యాడ్ చేశారు. సో అట్లా ఒక క్లయింట్ నేను ఇది లైవ్ పెట్టేశాను. నేను దీని తర్వాత గూగుల్ కన్సోల్ ఇప్పుడు ఇదంతా తీసుకెళ్ళి లైవ్ లో పెట్టాలంటే గూగుల్ కన్సోల్ కి మనం ఎవరు యాడ్ చేయాలండి మనం చెప్పినట్టున్నారు. లైవ్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది. సో లైవ్ లో నాకు ఒక క్లయింట్ వచ్చి ఆ యాడ్ పెట్టాలి నా వెబ్సైట్ లో పోస్ట్ చేయాలి. అది ఎట్లా చేయాలి? దానికన్నా టెంప్లెట్ ఉందా, లేకపోతే అది ఏమన్నా డిఫరెంట్
దీంట్లో ప్రోడక్ట్ పెట్టాలా?
యాడ్ లైక్ ప్రోడక్ట్ లైక్ యాడ్ పెట్టాలి. ఒక ఇమేజ్ ఇందాక మీరు ఎట్లా
అది మీరు WooCommerceకి వెళ్ళాలన్నమాట. WooCommerce ప్లగిన్స్ ఉంటాయి. WooCommerce ప్లగిన్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తే వెళ్ళొచ్చు.
యూకామర్స్
WooCommerce.
ఒక ఫ్యూ మినిట్స్ టైమే ఉండే.
మీరు ఇప్పుడు వాడకండి.
ఓకే, జస్ట్ చూస్తున్నాను అంతే.
చూడండి, ఏమైనా ఉంటే నాకు చేయండి. నేను మీకు డైరెక్ట్ గా చెప్తాను.
ఓకే,
యాడ్ ప్లగిన్ మీద క్లిక్ చేసి WooCommerceకి వెళ్తే యుల్ గెట్ ఆల్ దోస్.
ఓకే, యాడ్ కామర్స్ పెట్టాను. యూనా YOU.
WOO.
ఓకే.
Guys, rest everyone. You guys can wind up, guys. Okay, let's catch up tomorrow same time. Please make use of the same meeting link. I'll not be available in the WhatsApp group. If you have anything, please do directly communicate with us. I hope you all have my contact details. You can WhatsApp me directly. All right.
Excuse me, sir.
Which one you are preferring?